Hey everyone, it's Margaret, My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a preview of what's inside this box of the Sea and Me quilt by Stacy Iest Hsu from Moda Fabrics. It is such a fun collection of undersea animals, fish, and mermaids that is fun for kids and everyone. So let's get a look at this, and it's a nice pastel quilt. It's nice pastel quilt colors. The size on this quilt is 74 by 74, so it is a good size for a bed quilt also. So let's take a look and see what's inside. I love these fish swimming across the front of this quilt. So what you receive is the quilt kit pattern. It has full color display of pictures to show you what fabrics go in it and how to do the techniques. And this fun fabric by Stacy Iest Hsu from Moda Fabrics. So let's take a look and see what they look like inside. So we've got a nice beige background. This looks like to be a tonal piece. It has seashells on it, or dots, seashells on a tonal background for the background of the quilt, which is quite a bit of the quilt, as you can see from the picture here. So we have the blue, the mint seashells, and some coral colored seashells, starfish. So this quilt is made up of a nice coral and teal color range of the collection. So it has some soft, sweet prints in it that'll be just beautiful for these fish on the front. So hope you've enjoyed this. I hope this inspires you to make the quilt. Happy sewing!